are 4 different kinds of fidget spinners, and there are more types out there. I actually had one that was a 6-sided fidget spinner that you could actually take each of the 6 spokes off and put them on in random places. That one unfortunately got taken to school and misplaced. But I have these 4 here, and they are each different, and I wanted to go over the differences with you, and maybe this will help you decide which fidget spinner is right for you. So first, I'm going to spin them all so you can see what they look like. You'll notice that this one that has an iridescent coloring on it is very neat when it's spinning because it has kind of an unusual pattern. This one, the skull one, the middle center part doesn't spin, and so it has kind of a nice effect as it's going. You can see that they all spin for a long time, but some are going to be slower than others. These 2 are made of aluminum, and so they don't spin quite as long as these other ones that are made of heavier materials. This one is made of stainless steel. This one is made of solid brass. So that is something to note. I'm going to slow these all down. So let's start with this one. This is a brass one, solid brass one. It's a skull, and so that's what the back of it looks like. This one's from Mixmart. This one is fairly expensive. Of these 4, this one is the most expensive of them all. It comes in the $40 range. It does come with its own case. This one is quite heavy. This one and this one are both quite heavy. And it's spins very easily. All of them spin very easily because they're all pretty much the same on the inside. Every single one of these, if I can open this one up, it's a little bit tight. Boy, I made that one tight. Well, they do all open up. Let me open this one up. Okay, this one is much looser. Sorry about that. All of them look the same on the inside. They've got these ball bearings. There we go. They've got these ball bearings, and that's what enables them to turn so easily on their axis. Okay, so the skull one also has one difference in it from all the other ones. You can turn the bones, crossbones like that, or you can also spin just the middle part. So that's kind of unique and something that sets this one apart. And probably that's why this one is the most expensive one. This one is a tri-spinner, and it is made of aluminum. And while it's still pretty heavy, and certainly heavier than plastic would be, it's much lighter weight than the other ones. It spins really excellently. It's got a good effect. Very lightweight. This one is made of stainless steel, and it is also very heavy. The paint job on this one, I think, really makes this one kind of fun. My kids like this one the best of all of them. I think the skull is a close second. And this shape is very common for fidget spinners. And then this last one is a bi-spinner. It's only got 2 wings off the side, and it too is made of aluminum. The only part on it that moves is this part. These extra little weights don't move at all. They're just for decoration. But as you see, this one spins very nicely. This one also has 2 little holes on either side, and you could use that, I suppose, to hook it into a necklace if you wanted to carry it with you that way. But really neat. So next I'm going to go get out my scale, and I'm going to weigh each of these for you so you can see how much they weigh. Okay, here we are again with my scale. The skull one weighs 2.6 ounces, which equates to, whoops, let me put it to grams, 74 grams. This aluminum one weighs 32 grams, and in ounces, that is 1.1 ounce. So quite a difference there, you can see. Let's weigh the other aluminum right away. And this one comes in at 1.4 ounces. Whoops, and that was, I'm sorry, that was 0.4. I'm sorry, that was 40 grams. And then this last one, whoops, this is the stainless steel one. And this comes in at, 98 grams. Or 3.5 ounces. So that gives you an idea of what the weight range on these things are. I personally find the heavier fidget spinners a little more satisfying, but you may like the lighter ones. I think it's all about a personal choice. Certainly they all spin very well.